Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily send WhatsApp stickers or how you can actually use stickers on WhatsApp on your iPhone or Android devices. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up WhatsApp app, then get into some conversation. I'm just gonna open up a conversation with myself. Right here you can see how that WhatsApp stickers looks like, and then in order to send a sticker to that conversation, all you have to do is just tap right here at that stickers icon. That shows you a bunch of different options, and let me walk you through all of that stuff. So first, towards the bottom of the screen you can switch between stickers and GIFs, just like that. On that page you can select and send any GIF from trending, from sad, love, reaction, or you can use search. You can just tap right here at that magnifying glass icon to search for some specific GIF by entering a keyword, or you can just select any from suggested and then hit add send to send that GIF to the conversation. Then what about stickers? On stickers tab you can right here at the very top switch between different stickers packs, stickers categories. Right here you got 4 different stickers packs, and also you can tap at that heart icon to show up emojis categories like happy, love, sad, and mind-blowing or warning, and you can quickly find some stickers using that filters. You can then just hit add a sticker to send it to the conversation. Also, you can hit at that star icon to show up your favorite stickers, and right here you can also add the new stickers pack right there to that toolbar. You can hit add that plus sign, and now you are able to get a lot of different stickers packs. That list is really huge. You can scroll down, and then once you like some pack you can hit right here at that arrow to download that sticker pack. In that way, before downloading you can hit at the pack to see all that stickers, and then you can hit add download right from here. And also at my stickers pack you are able to manage your stickers packs, because now as you can see you got these two new downloaded stickers packs up here, and let's say you want to remove some packs, so you can get into my stickers, and then if you want to remove, let's say I want to remove that pack, so all you have to do is just tap at the pack and then hit add delete, just like that. So you can in that way add or remove any stickers pack on WhatsApp. Also right here you can tap on edit, and there you can simply by dragging them up or down change the order of that stickers packs, and also in that way you can easily by hitting at minus sign you can quickly remove some stickers packs from here. Once you finished with that you can just hit out at done, and then you can move on to the conversation. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my WhatsApp tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.